Welcome back to our series all about creating an influencer media kit with Wix. When building your influencer media kit site, it's best to keep things simple and focused. A clean site with only the most important pages makes it easier for brands and potential collaborators to navigate. So in this tutorial, we'll show you how to delete or hide unnecessary pages in Wix. Let's get started. On the Wix editor, go to Pages and Menu on the left. Hover over the page that you want to remove from your site and click on the three-dot button that corresponds to it. Now select Delete. A warning pop-up will appear, asking you whether you're sure. If you are, click on Delete to confirm. And that page will successfully be removed from your site. Alternatively, instead of selecting Delete, you can select Hide from Menu. It will not delete the page, but your site visitors won't be able to see or access it. This would be a good option if you think you might need this page in the future. Repeat the process until you finish removing all of the pages that you don't need. The same goes for the sections you don't need. Scroll through your entire page and see if there are any sections that you no longer need, such as in this one, which came with our template when we selected it. So highlight a section and hit the delete key on your keyboard to delete that specific section. Repeat the same process until all sections that you don't need have successfully been deleted. The same also applies for elements you no longer need. And that's it. By deleting or hiding unnecessary pages, you're making your Wix influencer site more polished and focused. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss the next step. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.